My main language is Tagalog.
Oh, Tagalog na tayo. Ba't tayo nag-English?
Si kuya naman, para naman
Yes.
Pwede ba? Juice na lang? Huwag, ayaw yung alcohol. Juice na lang.
Tagalog daw, pre.
Nandito ako sa Bicol.
Lalaki ba?
Hindi ako lalaki. Babae ako.
Magaling mag-Tagalog.
Tagalog ka mo. Pilipino ako. Anong ginagawa mo? Oh.
Are you a singer?
Wow, that's a cute dog.
Yeah.
That's a cute
You're
dog.
cuter. Bulacan.
You know Bulacan?
Yeah, malapit lang sa amin yan. Doon ako sa sa Nueva Ecija. Hello?
Oh, sorry. Hello?
Do you live in Palawan?
No?
Oh man, I'm going to Palawan next month. I was looking for Filipinos that live in Palawan.
Oh, that's beautiful there. It's beautiful there.
Have you been there?
No, but just Filipino.
Okay.
We know what's beautiful in our country.
Oh, okay. Do you live close to Palawan?
No, I need to get on a plane just to be there.
Oh, really? Which part? Manila?
Yeah, I'm in Luzon. I'm 4 hours away from Manila.
Which part?
Nueva Ecija. That's a Philippine province.
Nueva. What?
Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. Okay. Man, you speak perfect English. You speak English there?
No, my English is bad actually.
Really?
Yeah, I need to think deeply before I speak.
Or else you get nosebleed, right?
Yeah. Or sometimes my head is, it's aching.
Your head will explode.
Yeah. I feel like it's gonna explode.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. I'm looking for someone to go to Palawan with me. But first, they gotta know how to speak Tagalog. Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Yeah, my mother tongue or my what do you call this? My main language is Tagalog.
Oh, Tagalog na tayo. Ba't tayo nag-English?
Si kuya naman, para naman na parang sakit-sakit na ng ulo ko eh.
Aray ko.
Nakaka-stress ka naman. Kailangan pa, di mo ba alam, nag-iisip ako ng super lalim.
Tagalog na tayo. Napahirapan mo ako eh.
Pagod na nga yung tao, si kuya naman, pinapagod mo pa yung utak ko. Kainis naman si kuya, pinrank mo naman ako. Ang sakit-sakit na nga ng ulo ko.
Nagko-content ako ngayon eh, YouTube. Magiging viral na to.
Hirap na hirap pa ako mag-edit.
Subscribe ko na lang. Ito,
Okay po, okay.
Nilagay ko sa, pinag ko. Ingat ha, thank you. God bless.
Sige po, God bless po.
Yeah, bye. What's going on, bro?
Hello.
Do y'all live in Palawan?
Actually,
Do you live in Palawan?
asaw.
What?
Wala.
No, do you live in Palawan?
Wala.
Baliw ka yata eh.
Do you know Palawan? Palawan in the Philippines? Palawan?
Oh, wala nga. Are you from it?
Oh, thank you. No, thank you. I'm good.
Do you drink this?
No, not for me. Not for me.
Okay.
No, thank you. No,
Bye,
thank
bye.
you. Oh, that one.
This one. Juice.
Is this juice? Are you sure?
Juice with alcohol.
No alcohol. Just juice. Only juice.
Juice.
Pwede ba? Juice na lang? Huwag, ayaw yung alcohol. Juice na lang.
Tagalog daw, pre.
Juice na lang, bro. Ayaw ko malasing. Juice na lang. What's going on?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
You're eating?
Yes.
What are you eating?
Broomstick.
Are you in Palawan?
Yes.
Oh, you live in Palawan?
Yes.
Which part of the Philippines?
Bicol!
Oh, Bicol, not Palawan. Come on, you're joking with me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Why are you saying bye?
Apamoy.
Bye-bye!
Apamoy naman dalar.
Wag mo muna
What?
next. Wag mo muna next.
Pani. Tagalog.
Nagtatagalog ka pala. Nandito ako sa Bicol.
Lalaki ba?
Hindi ako lalaki. Babae ako.
Bakit kanina, ang hinihin ng boses mo? Hey, are you from Palawan? Wait.
No bird.
Wait.
Wait.
Go. Wait lang kayo.
Wait.
No bird.
Bugo na gago yan.
Are y'all from the Philippines?
Yeah. Yung Philippines.
Which part of the Philippines?
No bird.
Which part of the Philippines?
Man, you're mistress.
May nangyayari na.
Keep going.
Go by first senior high school. And graduating in the college, graduating this gravity of earth is the
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Tagalog ka lang, pre. Tagalog ka lang, pre.
Tagalog
Tagalog ka lang, Pilipino ko. Ano ginagawa mo? Pilipino ko, ano ginagawa mo? Ano ito ba ginagawa? Ayun.
Wait lang po.
Oh,
Are you a singer?
wow, that's a cute dog.
Yeah.
That's a cute
You're
dog.
cute.
Uh-oh.
Me?
Yeah, you. You're the only one there.
I can't be cute. I'm not cute, bro.
Why not?
I just know.
Then you're wrong.
Are y'all in Palawan?
No?
Because I'm going to Palawan next month. I'm looking for people to come with me.
Be, punta ka daw Palawan. Sama ka.
Ako pa nag-adjust. Lebron James.
What? What did you say?
Na,
What'd you say?
you look like Lebron James. Lebron James.
Oh my God!
Los Angeles, bro.
Hey. Represent LA. So who's going to Palawan with me?
Be, Palawan. You want to go to Palawan?
Palawan?
Yeah, I'm going next month.
Boracay. No. My mom will
Boracay?
get mad.
I don't have the money. Aren't you from Palawan? You're from Palawan.
She's from Palawan?
Express.
What's Express? What's that?
It's a banking company.
Oh,
Normal.
so no one wants to come with me?
We can. We physically can.
All right, then I guess I gotta keep looking.
Yeah.
You can take the dog.
I can take the dog?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just do that. I'll just take the dog.
Yeah, you can come by our house.
Okay, where do y'all live?
Sa Bulacan.
You know Bulacan?
Yeah, malapit lang sa amin yan. Doon ako sa Nueva Ecija.
Are you okay?
Oh, sorry. The previous one.
Oh,
Sorry. Yo,
Yo, what's up, dude?
are you in the Philippines?
Yes, of course.
Are you in Palawan? I'm trying to go to Palawan next month.
Okay.
And I need someone to come with me.
What?
I need someone to come with me.
Oh,
Can you come?
I can't. My parents are strict.
Your parents are strict?
Yes.
Strict din yung parents ko.
My
parents ko.
Same.
Mahirap lumabas pagka strict parents.
You speak Tagalog too?
Hindi ako marunong Tagalog.
Little bit.
Little bit lang.
Ah,
Ikaw, nakakatagalog ka? Konti lang din? O 100%?
konti lang din.
Konti lang din? Mag-English na lang tayo.
Sure.
Let's go back to English.
Yes.
Because that's too hard. I was getting nosebleed.
Finally, I have talked something.
You have talked something?
I am bad at English, sorry.
What?
I am bad at English, I'm sorry.
Tagalog lang tayo.
Sige.
Tagalog lang. Kala ko English ka.
Medyo bad ako mag-English eh. Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Umuulan ba dyan?
Yes.
Lakas na ulan ah.
Nakasing.
Saan ka sa Pinas?
Manila.
Manila? Oh, okay. So hindi ka makasama sa akin sa Palawan? Strict parents mo, no?
Hmm.
Ako din eh.
I can't go anywhere.
You can't go anywhere?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Nag-YouTube ako ngayon eh.
Hmm.
Ikaw content
Nagalig
ako.
ka?
Gusto mo ipala? Yeah, itatype ko dito ah. Para makita ng parents mo na sabihin ko sa kanila, wag na sila mag-stick.
Marami ka palang views, yeah.
Konti, parang kasi simula ko lang sa TikTok. Pero yung YouTube kong yung pinaka-main ko.
Sana all 10k subscribers.
Ingat, God bless. Maging mabuti ka sa mga strict mo parents.
Yeah. Always pray. God bless to you, bro.
Always pray.
God first.
God first lagi.